ветеран войны. Кто-то кинул мои кочеры. So this is my DJI Mini 3 Pro and it fall down. As you can see, I lost the camera protection cover. I got a new one. I also damaged a few propellers. As you can see, this one is cracked and this one is broken. The tip of this one is broken as well. So I got new propellers, and the most important thing, the front right side arm. This is the one that broke down, but I'm gonna remove it now. Looks like it's not the arm itself, but the bracket inside. So I'm gonna remove it and we'll see what exactly we need to order, because looks like the arm is still good, but the bracket inside is broken. So now I'm gonna start to disassemble the propellers first, and after I'm gonna remove the front right side arm as well. So now I'm gonna install the new protection cover in the front camera. It has some pins right there, so you put it on the top. It's gonna be slightly facing downward. The left side is slightly lower, so you put it, and after you turn it clockwise and it locks in place. As you can see, now it's aligned. So the protection cover, it's in its place. Now we're gonna remove the propellers, and for this we're gonna need a Phillips screwdriver. It's pretty tight. So I loosened all the bolts, but I want to show you one interesting thing. I'm gonna open the wings and I will show you the position of each propeller, because they are pointed differently. So as you can see, this is the front of the drone and this is the rear of the drone. And if you look at the propellers, you can tell that this one, the front ones, are pointed like this, with this bigger part backward, but the rear ones, as you can see, they are pointed in opposite direction, with the bigger part of the propeller pointed forward. So this is how they go. The front and the rear goes like this, and here is the same, left side, front and rear. As you can see, left side, the biggest part on the front is pointed backward, and on the rear, the biggest part with this oval is pointed forward. Exactly the same on the right side. So now I'm gonna remove all 8 and I'm gonna replace with new ones. As I told you, they're already loose, so you just remove these 2 bolts and take out the propeller. So we're gonna take one. As you can see, one bolt is out. Here's the second bolt. The second bolt, it's almost out. So the second bolt is out, and you just pull them up. 1, 2. Exactly the same on the rear. Okay, so the bolt is out. I can remove them. As you can see, we have left side, and here we have right side, and we have 4 bolts on the left side, 4 bolts on the right side. Bolts are very small, but there is blue thread lock on the bolt, so I'm gonna use this thread lock, so from the vibration they're not gonna get loose. And also I'm gonna start the drone and check if all the motors are spinning, to make sure I don't need to order any other motors.